Hey crypto fam, here are the 3 biggest stories in crypto this week. US states and banks are embracing Bitcoin. Ethereum just hit a major staking milestone, and SoFi is making crypto way easier for everyone. First up, big banks and states are saying yes to Bitcoin. Texas and New Hampshire just put Bitcoin in their official piggy banks. That's called a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Even massive banks like JP Morgan Chase are rolling out crypto services. When the most traditional money people want Bitcoin, you know it's going mainstream. Next, Ethereum gets a massive trust vote. Over 33 million Ethereum coin are now staked. That's like a giant vote of confidence. People are locking up their ETH to help secure the network and earn rewards. And the price jumped 9% this week because everyone's excited about Ethereum's future. Finally, SoFi makes crypto super easy for everyone. SoFi just announced they're adding Bitcoin and Ethereum buying directly in their app. Plus, they're launching blockchain money transfers that are way faster and cheaper than traditional methods. No more special crypto apps needed. Your regular money app does it all. That's it, fam! Let us know which story shocked you most by dropping a comment below, and smash that subscribe button for next week's Crypto Digest. See you next week, crypto fam!